This video will be a helpful guide for you if you're looking how to create an investment or a Bitcoin investment website for yourself or for your clients. Now here on my screen you can see that this is the professional dashboard, the client dashboard of this investment website. Now let me take you through the front end where you can create an account. Now some of the features of this site is that clients can actually select the currency they want their dashboard to have. So as you can see here, we have select currency. You can select any currency you want, and the currency is what will reflect on your dashboard. Now this website has an investment. You can invest and then get your profit. It also comes with the features of copy trading. You can actually copy and then replicate the trading from admin. Whichever copy trading feature that is set by the admin, the clients can copy such trade and then they are going to either win or lose, whichever one. Now this also comes with a withdrawal pin. Now if you are looking how to create an investment website that has a withdrawal or billing code that is going to be generated before the client can be able to withdraw their money, this website is a go-to and is the professional one you're going to see out there. Guys, if this is the first time you're seeing our video, we share educating videos of this sort. We educate you and then give you tips to make money as a developer and then deliver professional jobs to your clients. Now if this is the first time you're seeing our videos, subscribe to this channel, turn on the notification button and then like this video so that whenever we release educating videos of this sort, YouTube is going to notify you and then you're going to get on this video and learn my tips of making money as a web developer and then delivering professional websites to your client. So guys, if you're looking out to create a Bitcoin investment website or a platform that where your clients can be able to select currency before they create account and the currency is going to reflect on their balance and they are able to request for loans, they are able to also have the feature of copy trading and then being able to get something like a withdrawal pin or a billing code that is generated before a withdrawal is being processed in this platform. Watch this video to the end if you're looking out to get something of that feature, and then you're going to learn how to get this done for yourself. If you're a newbie or a professional, this video is a helpful one because even if you are a newbie, I'm going to give you a step-by-step process from start to finish on how to watch this and then implement whatever thing you're learning right here. So guys, let's get started. So now the first thing I want to do here, from here you can see that this is the client's dashboard. You can see some of the features here. You can copy experts, you can request for loan, and you can see you can enroll on affiliate programs, verify account and stuff like that. So now the first thing I want to do is I want to show you some of the features of this website. Now the first features here I want to show you is the clients being able to select something like a withdrawal, a currency that they want. So you see that. So I'm just going to put a random email here, something like this. So let me select my country. So now let me just show you, for instance, let's say this is my country. So let's say this is Russia, and then let me come here and then select a currency I want to use for my platform. So whichever currency it is effective on this website, so you can just select whatever currency you want to use for your website. So and it's going to appear on your dashboard. So now let's just select a random one. So let's just select this, and you see that. So let me put my phone number. So this is my phone number. Then you put your password. So this is my password. I click on agree and then I click on register. If my details are correct, my account will be okay. Well, you can see that my account has been created. Now you can see that this is the currency I selected while I was creating this account, and that is the currency that is going to be dominant in my account. Now you can see that from here now you see all the features that are ready to be used on this platform. So I'm just going to take time and just give you how this system works to show you that it is actually working. So you see that, and now another feature that this platform has is being able to request for withdrawal, and then you're going to put pin. You're going to put a withdrawal pin before your withdrawal is going to be approved by the admin. So you can actually use that as a billing code for your platform. So now let me show you how that one works. So I'm just going to log out from this account. Let me sign out. So I want to log into another account of mine. So let me click on. So this is the front end of this website. So every content has been written for you. So let me just log into that account. So I have an account I've created before. So let me use it to. I just did this first one to show you how you can select the currency while creating your account. So let me put my password. I'm sure my details are okay. I didn't put the correct 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. This is it. So my details should be correct. Okay, good. You can see that my details are correct. Now on this one, I selected this currency, and that is why you're seeing the currency right here. So now let me show you how they can actually request for withdrawal and then impute a withdrawal pin before a withdrawal is accepted by the admin. So now let's click on withdraw funds. The admin has already set up the withdrawal code for this particular client, so the admin can is responsible. So you see that the withdrawal code is required to enable you to continue with your withdrawal. Please contact our online support or live chat on the support. You see, this is actually a very robust investment script that you're going to get out there. So now let me just put the withdrawal code that is set from the admin. So now let me click on verify withdrawal code, and you see that if that is the correct withdrawal code, I will be allowed to proceed with my withdrawal. So now let me click on continue. This Bitcoin I've selected as my withdrawal payment. So I'm going to put, I want to just withdraw $100, or let's say $100. Yeah, okay, 99. So I'm going to just enter my Bitcoin wallet address, and I'm going to click on complete withdrawal. Let me allow that. So once I click that, you see that action is successful. Please wait while we process your request. So the admin is going to approve this withdrawal, and you can see that once the withdrawal is approved, this pending status will change from pending to approved. So I'm just doing this to show you how to get this done on this platform. So another thing that you can do here is to request for loans. You can see the loan area. So what amount do you want to request? I want to request for $900. So what the loan or credibility facility. So I just say salary loans. How many? Duration is 6 months. Purpose for loan, I can say fees, and monthly net income is this. So let me send request and let's see that. So this is actually a very robust platform. You see that you have successfully applied for a loan. Now the admin is going to approve this from his end. So now let's log into the admin. You can see that this is the admin. So now let's come to loan applications, active loans. So now let's come here and see if you can see that this loan is pending. So now let's click on action and let's say mark as paid. Whoa, it says loan state change to process. So now let's come back to the client account, and now let's see what is going here. So now let's go back to our loan. Okay, no, we'll go back to view loans. Let's come to view loans, and you will see that this loan will be approved. You can see that it is processed. Now we made a withdrawal that has not been approved by the admin. So now let's come back to admin, and then let's come to manage withdrawals. Manage withdrawal. So like you can see that this is $99 that we request. So I click on view, and then I say this paid. So let's just pay, but we can actually reject this if we want. Now okay, now let's say let's reject it. I say don't send email. I say process, but if I select send email, automatically the system is going to send an email to the client. Now let's come back here and check for our withdrawal. So let's come to withdraw funds. So this is actually a very robust system. You can see that okay, it has been rejected, and that is why it is no longer resisting here. So now let's see if we are going to approve any one of these again. So you see the previous ones we've requested. So now let me click on view, and then I'm going to click on process, and it is processed. So now let's come back to my account and let me refresh here. And let's see. Wow, we can see that this has been approved and it is saying processed. So you can see that the money that we have here, it's going to show up now. Now let's come back to our dashboard. You can see that I've been able to withdraw the $999 that was here. So this is actually a very robust trading and investment platform. Your client is going to love this kind of website when you use it. So now let me continue showing you some of the features on this platform. So you can see that the client can actually purchase signals that the admin have created. So you see, these are some of the signals that we have here. We have the breakout signals, buying, oversold, and see trend signal. So there are a lot of signals here. So once the client say subscribe now, you just choose payment method, and this one is $1,300. So I don't have up to $1,300 in my account. So let's check for a lesser one that is within. Okay, now let me show you another features in this platform. So another feature, the admin can also fund the client's dashboard for any amount. So now let's click on manage users, and then let's come back to my account. Now let's say manage user for this particular user. Now you come to actions. Now you can see all the features that what the admin can do for this client. Now you see this is where we set the withdrawal code. You see set withdrawal code for client, and now you see that was 000 that I imputed earlier, and I see that the status is on. If I off it now, this client is not going to impute a withdrawal code for before they do their withdrawal. You see that this is actually a very robust, and everything is working, no bug issues. So you see set a number of trade. Now this to another feature on this platform. Now you can actually turn this one on, this one that says set number of trades. Now it is going to make the client to have a 2-level verification before they can do their withdrawal. Now when you turn this one on, if the client have not performed a particular trade, they are not going to be allowed to do a withdrawal. Now after putting and processing this one on the withdrawal on their account here, they are now going to be brought to the page where they're going to be requested to put this pin. So you have a 2 billing method for your work. You see now this is another one. You can actually credit or debit them. This is, let's say you want to add money or you want to remove money from their account. You can reset their password. You can log in as the person, as the user, and then do whatever thing you want to do. Now you can see set number of trade for this client, and turn on upgrade status, and you see that there is. So now let's say we want to do a credit. Now let's enter an amount we want to credit this client. Let's say this is the amount. Let's select any column you want. Now you see on this client account we have let's come back to dashboard, and you see we have the deposits, we have profit, and then we have total withdrawal. Now if you come back here, you see that the column you want the money to go to, we have the bonus, we have the profit. Profit is the one that they can withdraw. We have account balance, we have the referral bonus. So all these segments you can deposit directly. So I want to deposit directly to the client's account balance, and type is credit. I want to credit instead of debiting. So I click on submit. Action is successful. So now let's come back here and do a refresh of this. You see I had 999 here. So let's see what happens. Well, you can see that this is what we have here after the crediting from the admin. So you can see that everything here works perfectly, and as it is seen in this video. So the whole idea is for you to watch me do this, and then you get the exact same results. So if you are looking out for a platform that is like this, watch this video to the end so that you learn. This is a disclaimer that this video is solely for educational purposes, and we do not support any illegal use of whatever thing you've learned here. We are just doing this to show you what is obtainable as a developer. So let's continue, guys, and let's come back to admin. You see that you can actually set some copy trades from here. You can set up your email. So let me come back to this settings. So you can see once you come to the app settings, you can just come here and then do, this is where you're going to change the website name, the details on the website. So you make sure you put everything you want here. If you want a WhatsApp number, you set it up here, and the details, you just make sure you edit them. So this is where you can upload your logo. Your logo is going to be updated. So now make sure, now I am going to be showing you how to do this later in this video. Now you see where we installed this stuff. We installed it on a main domain, so that is why we selected main domain. If you uploaded this on a subdomain or a subfolder, make sure you select the one you uploaded it to. Now let's select subfolder, but what we did is main domain, so you select it. So make sure you follow through these processes so that you get the exact results as seen in this video. So you see why it's for this on the admin end. So this is where you do a lot of settings. So it's a PHP script, and whatever thing updated very well here from the admin is going to get applied on the client area. Now you can see KYC applications. So the KYC applications are the clients need, if you turn it on for a particular client, they are going to apply for the KYC, and get verified on the platform. So if you turn this feature on, the client is not even going to be able to do withdrawal before they verify their account. They will have to verify their account first before they can proceed with withdrawal. So I've shown you for loan application, I've shown you some tasks. So create task and manage. So these are just manipulatable stuff here on the admin. So you come to payment settings. So on payment settings is where you're going to update and put the payment method for your client. So you can see that it is only Bitcoin that was enabled here, and that is why you've been seeing Bitcoin as we were doing withdrawal and all of that. So but however all these ones are here, you can also enable them if you want, but I just want only Bitcoin. So and you come here and you can just do and play around with some stuff. So it's actually a working stuff. So let's come back to the admin dashboard. So this is how the admin dashboard looks, and it's actually a very cool platform. So you can get this and get this to deliver it for yourself or for your client. Now let me come back to the client area. So this is the client area. So I've been able to show you some stuff right here. So is there any other thing I need to do? Now this upgrade account, the admin can actually turn it on from his end, and you will need to upgrade your account before you can proceed. You see that? So this is actually how we can upgrade your account. So I purchase signal, and let's see my plan. Now let's come to my plan and see if we have a particular plan. So you don't have an investment at the moment. So let's click on buy plan. Let's see. Okay, now these are some of the plans that we have here. So this one is okay. Let me click on join plan. So this one is the first plan. You have successfully purchased the test plan. So which is this one? Minimum is this, and the maximum is this. So you see duration is 5 days. So this plan, okay, now let me come back and click on view my plans. So my plans, let me come back here and click on my plans. So you can see that this is the current plan I am on now, and it says it's active. So you see, so the admin is also going to, I can cancel this plan here, and you see that profit end, I have not earned any profit already, you see. So but the admin can help me do this. So the end date is September 26th, and the return on investment comes after every 10 minutes. So before we finish this video, if it's up to 10 minutes, we are going to come back and then check for the profit I've earned after trading for 10 minutes. So you see that this is a very robust platform that you need to go. So you can still come here and verify your account. So you see, if the admin turns this on, you can just come here and do a KYC verification. Now let me click on KYC verification. So you see that this is actually a very robust and complete dashboard that you need. So your clients now can upload their documents. You see, can upload the front and then the back. You see, and the admin is also going to get the details uploaded here. So guys, if you're looking out to get something like this is the best bet for you. So now let's go over to the second segment. The second segment, I just want to show you how to set this up so that you can get the exact results you're seeing as on my screen. So I just want to go. So for you to go over to the second segment, now if you are doing this for the first time, the first thing you need to do is to get your domain name and get your hosting. So my affiliate link is in the description of this video. So use my affiliate link. You're going to get a little commission, and most times they are even going to give you a free domain name. So and me, for referring you, they are going to give me a little commission. So guys, it's a win-win for the both of us. So use my affiliate link is in the description of this video. Once you click on it, you use it. It's a very strong and a good host that is compatible with a lot more configuration of websites out there. So it's a very strong one, so it's trusted. So click on there and then use my referral link, guys. So now once you get your domain and hosting, I believe you should know how to get your domain and hosting. What you just have to do is to locate your domain name and then come to your cPanel. So let's say we bought a domain name that the name is on. Let's just use a random name. So let's say this is a domain name. What you just have to do is .com/cPanel. So this is for you to log into your cPanel. So once you log onto your cPanel, you can now start uploading your website script. And once you come to your cPanel, you are just going to be seeing an exact interface as what you're seeing on my screen right here. So this is just my cPanel. As you can see boldly written here, this is cPanel. So once you come to your cPanel, you're just going to locate for file manager. So once, if you can't find file manager, you can just come to search and type for file manager, and you can see it right here. Or I don't want to get it from search, you just come and scroll down and you come to file manager, and from your file manager you can start uploading your website to make it visible online. So now the next thing we need to do is just come to your public underscore HTML. Now I actually have a dominant website on this platform, so I won't be doing that on my public underscore HTML. So which is why I told you that we are going to do something from the admin, where I'm going to be showing you installation type. Let me show you again. So if you come to the installation type here again, so let me come down here. Let's come to app settings. App settings. So if you scroll down here, you're going to see the installation type. You're going to see it right here. So it says main domain, subdomain, and all of that. So if you're doing that on a subdomain, you select subfolder. If you're doing it on a folder, you select subfolder. If you're doing it on your directly to your public underscore HTML, you select main domain. So we are doing this, and let me come back here. So now I'm going to be doing mine on the subdomain. So you see, I can just say create a folder. So what name am I going to give my folder? I can just say legit. So I'm going to click on enter. So that is the name of my domain. So I'm going to double click and see. So you see my directory is empty. So if you got your domain and hosting freshly, it is going to look exactly as this. So I'm going to click on upload. So the documents and files I'm going to be uploading here, don't worry, before the end of this video I'm going to tell you how you can get access to it, and then you can still use it and do this job and deliver your professional work as a developer, and then you can charge a huge amount of money. So let me come back to my downloads, and then I select this file. So to tell you how you can have access to this file for yourself before the end of this video. So once you double click and you allow this to upload for you. Okay, so my script is uploaded and I allowed it to turn green. So now let's come back to my folder. So you see it's still empty. I just have to reload here, and we have our script right here. So we just have to right click and then come here and extract the files. So our file has been extracted. So now let's check if this is extracted in a different folder. Okay, it's still on the same folder, so there is no need for us to move. So but if this was extracted for you on a different folder, make sure you move it into your into the folder you created, or into your public underscore HTML. So now we just have few setups to do so that we can get ready with our website. So what we just have to do is there is a documentation file that is going to come with this website script. So now let me come back to here. So this is the documentation file. So I just want to double click and open that. So you see now it says installation requirement. You should have a PHP version of 8.1. This is my SQL 5.x, though the scripts can work on a basic shared hosting or Plesk, say. Okay, now the first thing is upload and extract the main file to your public underscore or any folder or directory. So we've done that. It now says we should create a database and a database username and the database password. So we are going to do that. Ensure you grant database user all permission, and go to your PHP-MyAdmin, upload the database SQL file, and go back to your file manager public underscore where you uploaded, and then edit the .env file and enter details. So congrats, you are done. So now this is how to load up your admin. So this is the details, and when you're setting up a payment gateway, you'll be asked for your passphrase. So this is where you get your passphrase from your documentation file. So now let's come back and get started with the process of installation. So now let's come back here. So I come back to my cPanel and then I locate my database. I just want to create a database for my website. So let me click on create my database. Okay, so I just want to click on my user. So I just want to edit and put my database username. So let's say use R. So now my password. So I just want to click on password generator. Generates. Okay, this is okay. I copy this and then copy, and then I click on I have copied this password. I say use password. So I'm going to save this on my notepad. So I'm going to save this on my notepad. So this is my notepad. I also have to click on Ctrl V and save it and put it. Then I'm going to click on create user. So create user. So once you're here, just make sure you copy and keep these details because you're going to need them for configuration. So I'm going to click on next, all privileges, and then I'm going to click on next step. So now let me come back to the my notepad, and I'm going to paste this. So I minimize. So now let's come back. So the next process is for us to come to the documentation folder. We should create and do this, and then we grant this permission. We've granted those permissions. So next thing I have to do now is to come back right here and then upload my database SQL, so to my PHP my admin. So for us to do that, let's come back to our database. You can just search for PHP my admin. So this is it right here. So I want to import the SQL file of the database we just created. So for you to get the database SQL file, you just have to come back to your file manager. Okay guys, so I'm just going to come back to our extracted folder. So you can see the database file here, and this is it. So this is what we are going to upload to our PHP my admin. So I come back here and let's locate. So this is the database I just created. So let me open that, and then I click on import, choose file, and then I come here and double click, and then I select this one. So this is the database that we are going to import. So guys, it has been imported successfully for us. So now the next process we have here is to edit the .env file. So you see we've done this fourth one. So we have to do the fifth one, which is editing the .env file. So this is the reason why I said you should make sure you keep the details for the database you created. You should keep it in a notepad. So come here and select this, and then let's locate our env file. Now most times you will come here, you won't see the .env file. Just come to your file manager and go to settings. Now make sure that this particular show hidden files is checked, and you click on save. So if you don't do that, you're going to see the .env file. So just click on edit. I click on edit again, and you see we have a different database details here. So what we just have to do is we are going to edit it with the one we just created. So this is it. So just copy, Control C, and then I'm going to come here and locate the database here. Control V, I will paste my own. So come back here and get your database username. This is my database username. Copy database username, Control V, paste mine. So make sure you save these details. So it's easy to set up. Control C, and then Control A to Control V. You get, so this is okay. This is just basically the setup you need to do. So you just have to get your domain name and edit it right here, then give it your own name. So this is just the simple way to do that. Just have to come here and click on save. So it has been saved for me. So now let's load up our website. So this is just basically what you need to do to set up this website. So now let me load up my website. So for you to load up this website, is just your because I uploaded on a folder, what I just have to do is my domain name / folder. But if you're doing this for a fresh work and you uploaded directly to your public_html, what you have to do is to just load your domain name directly, your primary domain name, and it is going to open. So I'm just doing this because I did this on a folder to show you how to do the setup. So what I just have to do now is to just come here and I just have to put /legit. So legit is the folder I created, legit, and I'm going to hit enter. And wow guys, you can see that my website is loading up. You see that it's loading up right here. So this is just simply how to set up this beautiful website. So you can see that this is the front end. Every content you need has been written for you. It has a video, and it has a FAQ page where you can ask questions, and everything is working fine guys. So in the first segment, I've been able to show you some of the stuff obtainable on this platform, and you've confirmed that it is working. So you see the script I just uploaded right here, and it also comes with a translator. So it's actually a very cool and robust system. So now let's come back to our documentation file. So now it says if you want to log into your admin, you just have to see this. So this is the admin details. You just have to admin login slash remedy. I just have to copy that, and then I'm going to this my admin password, my username and password. So I just come back here. I do my domain name slash the admin login slash remedy, and it should load up. It has loaded up my admin. And so I just come back here and get my admin email. So this is my admin email. Copy that, and then let's come back here. I paste that. My password is 123456, so I guess that should be correct. So if everything goes well, it should, okay, it is not correct. So what is my password? My password is okay, admin123. So let's put that again, Control V, and admin123. So I believe this should go through now. So just have to, wow, it's loading up immediately. So you can see that this is the admin end and we've been able to log in. So all the features I told you in the front end are still predominant here. So you can just come here. Next thing you should do is just come to app settings and then make sure you edit everything you're seeing here to your own website name and edit everything here. And then most importantly, come here and select the page where you installed it on. Me, I uploaded on subfolder. So that is where I'm going to do that. You can change your logo here. So now let me change my logo. Let me come to my desktop and get a cool image. So this is my logo. And let me come here and select this. So just have to edit your logo well. So this is my logo. So I'm just going to update this. So let's wait for that to load up. So it should update for me immediately. So another thing you need to do is once you've done this, just make sure that test everything and confirm is working fine. So I promised you guys I was going to show you how to get access to this website script. So with 60K, you can get access to this website script. And if you're looking how to get it, just my contact is in the description of this video. Just click there and chat with us. We are going to be there to attend to you. And then even if you're going to face any difficulty while setting this up, once you've gotten the script from us, we are going to give you 100% assistance and guidance regarding questions that we are not answered in this video. So with 60,000, message me on WhatsApp in the description of this video and we'll be right there to give you access to this website script. So guys, you can charge from 250 to 1 million to deliver this kind of job to your clients. And guys, I want you to stay productive and learn these simple tricks of delivering good job to your clients, because it's always going to get them to always refer you to new persons and who are going to work better with you. So guys, I want to see you in our next video. Thank you.